Welcome to the top best. The best Pizza Hut gift card is probably one of the most versatile and thoughtful ways to treat yourself or someone special to a delicious meal from one of America's favorite pizza chains, offering a convenient and flexible way to enjoy your favorite pizzas, pastas, wings, and sides without worrying about the exact cost, making it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Number 5. Amazon eGift Card. Introducing the Amazon eGift Card, a convenient and flexible way to give the perfect gift. Choose from a variety of designs and denominations to suit any occasion. Forget about expiration dates and hidden charges. This gift card is designed to be hassle-free, with no expiry and no fees ever. The possibilities are endless with this gift card. It can be redeemed for a vast selection of products store-wide on Amazon.com and affiliated sites. Need it now or want to plan ahead? It's available for immediate digital delivery, or you can schedule it to be sent via email up to a year in advance. It's a simple and secure way to show you care. Please note that gift cards are non-returnable and non-refundable. This gift card is perfect for purchases on Amazon.com and related platforms. Enjoy the freedom to buy eligible goods and services with ease. What we like. This option offers ultimate flexibility with no expiration dates and the ability to redeem it for millions of items. If you want to give someone the freedom to choose exactly what they want, whenever they want, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate a vast selection and the convenience of instant digital delivery. What people say. You can personalize it for the receiver with the look of the card and the message they receive. There are no concerns with the delivery being timely as it gets sent directly to the recipient's phone number that you provide, and arrives within moments of the giver making the transaction. The recipient is usually thrilled to be able to select exactly what they want for the happy occasion, rather than relying on the gift giver to select something for them that they may not have preferred. Number 4. SNK NEOGEO Mini Samurai Shodown Limited Edition Bundle. Experience the legendary SNK NEOGEO Mini, now in a special Samurai Shodown Limited Edition Bundle. It's a collector's dream, bringing classic gaming right to your fingertips. Choose your style from 3 stunning translucent variations, Homaru in white, Nakaruru in red, and Yukio Tachibana in blue. Each one is a unique collectible. Dive into a treasure trove of 40 classic NEOGEO titles, including all 6 iconic Samurai Shodown games. Relive the golden age of arcade gaming with this incredible collection. This bundle comes with everything you need to start playing immediately. It includes 2 controllers for multiplayer action, a collectible character card, and all necessary cables. Enhance your collection with exclusive extras. You'll find an HDMI cable, a USB power cable, an anti-slip cushion, and a special character sticker. It's more than just a console, it's a piece of gaming history. What we like. This is a collector's dream, featuring iconic retro games and a stylish, limited edition design. If you're a fan of classic arcade experiences or looking for a unique collectible, this bundle is a must-have. It's perfect for gamers who cherish nostalgia and appreciate exclusive, themed merchandise. What people say. The emulation isn't the best on the big screen, but it's by far acceptable given the plug-and-play aspect of it. The controllers feel very premium and I'm very much enjoying my time playing with it the last few hours. This set includes 2 controllers and everything you need to get started. Number 3. Dominos Pizza eGift Card. Introducing the Dominos Pizza eGift Card, your ticket to deliciousness delivered digitally. It's the perfect way to treat yourself or someone special. Using your card is simple. Just present the certificate or provide the 19-digit number and 4-digit PIN when ordering online, in-store, or over the phone. This card is redeemable at participating Domino's Pizza locations across the U.S. Enjoy your favorite pizzas with ease. Please note that gift cards are non-refundable and cannot be returned. Make sure to use it for your next pizza craving. This card cannot be used to purchase another Domino's gift card. It's meant for enjoying the pizzas you love. What we like. Enjoy your favorite pizza with ultimate convenience through digital delivery. If you're craving a quick and easy meal without the hassle, this is the way to go. It's perfect for busy individuals or families who want to order delicious pizza from participating locations with just a few clicks. What people say. The gift card was easy to redeem online. The pizza was delicious and arrived hot. Number 2. Domino's Pizza Physical Gift Card. Looking for a gift that's always a crowd pleaser? Give the gift of delicious pizza with a Domino's Pizza Physical Gift Card. This card can be used for purchases at any participating Domino's Pizza location across the U.S. Enjoy your favorite pizzas anytime, anywhere. Please note that this gift card cannot be used to purchase another Domino's gift card. It's meant for enjoying your pizza cravings directly. All gift card sales are final. We do not offer returns or refunds on these cards, so please choose wisely. It's the perfect way to treat yourself or someone special to a satisfying meal. Order your favorite pizzas today. What we like. This offers a traditional gifting experience for pizza lovers. If you prefer a tangible gift that can be handed over in person, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who enjoy the classic feel of a physical card and want to treat someone to a meal at participating Domino's stores. What people say. Easy and nice gifting or self-use. The gift card was loaded correctly and easy to use. Always works. Number 1. Burger King Physical Gift Card. Looking for a gift that's always a hit? Give the gift of deliciousness with a Burger King gift card. This versatile card can be redeemed at any participating Burger King restaurant. Find your nearest location easily online. Enjoy our famously high-quality, great-tasting food that won't break the bank. It's the affordable way to satisfy your cravings. Please note that Amazon.com gift cards cannot be used for this purchase. We appreciate your understanding. For your convenience, please be aware that all gift card sales are final. There are no returns or refunds available. What we like. Satisfy those burger cravings with a card that's always in good taste. If you're looking for an affordable and delicious meal option, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys the classic offerings at Burger King and wants a convenient way to pay at any participating location. What people say. This was a last-minute stocking stuffer and it came just in time with no issues with activation. Came in fast, worked as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.